Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. This video is going to be simple. We've got some cabinet work going on tonight. Steven put up cabinets. I cleaned the counter off. I know that's making you guys crazy. And gonna drain the catch can, the oil catch can, and put a cover on the engine before we go to the toy drive. I'll let you guys get to watching and I'll get to work. I am kind of tired of looking at the jumbled mess that is right here. So I dug through the pile, gonna take this, mount it on the engine, make it look a little better for the toy drive tomorrow. Kind of tuck some of these maybe under it, we'll see, I don't know. People will think it's stock now, right? That's the way that works. Okie doke. So I just realized I have not drained or emptied the oil catch can since I put it on there a few months ago. It's probably been on 400 or 500 miles. So we're gonna pull it off and see if there's any oil in it. All right, guys. So obviously, you know, we filled it with steel wool. Whoa. Looks like water. Huh. No oil in it or anything, so that's a plus. So a bunch of condensation, I'm guessing. Alright guys, I'm sure your wife never tells you this, but she told me that I was not very smart for doing that to the tires in the little panning shot I just gave you. So had her drop me off, and she was not nearly as impressed with the long, lengthy burnouts that I'm sure you were. So anyways, here I am. I'm just throwing the tires back up, throwing a spare set of tires on that I have. These are some 17-inch wheels that I keep as spares. And generally, if we're going to take the truck on a big road trip. All right, guys. Hey, it's Mike and Steven. Narcoleptic Customs, little shop cleaning update tonight. We're going to hang some cabinets. I'm so excited. We're going to hopefully that will take care of some of this junk because I can put it in the cabinets. And Steven's getting some LED lights that we bought cheap, and we'll mount them up on that side there. So we'll probably do a little bit of time lapse and a little bit of real time tonight, but we got to jump on a live stream with Destroyer 1320 on YouTube. So we got to go. All right, guys. So
the Henny guy here, real quick, Mr.
Eric and them. Ooh, Matt's on here too.
What's up, brother? You want to let everybody know
Look at him.
what you're doing?
It's awesome. All right. So Steven's got these going. So here's the deal. If you have not subscribed yet, certainly hit that button. Y'all, this is the kind of stuff we work on. Pro charged LS in that one. You can see my intercooler on the old truck. We're getting a turbo on the we have a turbo on the 4.8 in it. And just pretty much tons of randomness. So while Steven works on those, we're gonna jump on this live feed real quick. Stick out like you told me to. All right, guys, that's it. I want to say thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys being around. If you hadn't subscribed yet, definitely do that. Let me give you a little tidbit of what's coming in the next video I'm editing right now. We had hubcaps of the old truck. It looks bitchin'. All right, thanks, guys. See you soon.